Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are kicking off something really exciting. Consider this explainer your official step-by-step roadmap for the Open Elective Course, Introduction to Biotechnology, or, if you're looking at your schedule, course code UBTO011. If you're a first-year student coming from a completely non-biotechnology discipline, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to break down what this course is all about, what you'll be learning, and exactly how you'll be evaluated, giving you a crystal clear picture of the semester ahead. First off, I want to extend a huge, warm welcome on behalf of Dr. Ajay Nalawade, the head of the Department of Biotechnology over in the School of Life Sciences at Sanjay Gadawat University. You know, the university's motto is empowering lives globally, and Dr. Nalawade and his entire faculty designed this specific course with that exact mission in mind. It is built to empower you by bridging the gap between cutting-edge science and your own specific field of study. Seriously, this course isn't just for scientists and lab coats. It is tailor-made for you. Now, I know exactly what some of you are probably thinking right now. I'm a commerce major, or I'm studying the arts. I literally haven't taken a biology class in years. But take a deep breath, because here is a direct promise pulled right from your syllabus. No prior background in biology is required. Curiosity and a willingness to explore life sciences are sufficient. Actually, your unique non-science background is your biggest asset here. The whole goal of this course is to foster interdisciplinary awareness. You're bringing a totally fresh perspective to the table, and that's exactly what this class needs. Okay, so to make sure we're all on the same page, here's our game plan for today's explainer. First, a welcome to biotechnology. Second, why it actually matters to you. Third, the core modules and concepts. Fourth, applications and ethics. And finally, the course evaluation scheme. All right, let's dive into Section 1, Welcome to Biotechnology, Understanding the Basics. So, your very first course learning outcome is to define biotechnology and really grasp its scope and interdisciplinary nature. You see, biotech isn't just some isolated science that happens in a vacuum. It's an interdisciplinary powerhouse. It basically uses biological tools to create practical, real-world solutions across almost every industry you can think of. In Module 1, you'll dig into the history and the definitions, sure, but more importantly, you're going to explore how this science directly connects with your major, whether that's business, engineering, or the humanities. Moving right along to Section 2, Why Biotech Matters and Its Impact on Your Everyday Life. This brings us straight into Module 2, and it answers the ultimate question. Why should I care? Well, because biotech is absolutely everywhere. It's in the improved crop yields of the food we're eating. It's in the bioengineered fabrics of the clothes we're wearing. I mean, some companies are literally making textiles out of lab-grown spider silk. Crazy, right? It's vital in healthcare, and it is completely transforming how we handle waste management. You're going to learn how to identify these major tools and recognize their massive real-world applications. It's reshaping the world you interact with every single day. Section 3, Core Modules and Concepts. Think of this as your expedition map for the semester. Over the course of the semester, you'll step through 5 really distinct modules. Step 1 leads the groundwork with history and definitions. Step 2 grounds all of that in reality with food, healthcare, and agriculture. Then, Step 3 gives you a simplified, and yes, I repeat, very simplified, overview of cells, DNA, and lab techniques like PCR and genetic modification. Step 4 ramps things up into amazing modern applications like vaccines, medicines, diagnostics, and even explores careers in the biotech industry. Finally, Step 5 tackles the heavy hitters, GMOs, cloning, stem cells, and the ethics surrounding all of it. It's a super logical escalation from the basic concepts right up to the thrilling real-world implications. Section 4, Applications and Ethics, Critical Thinking in Modern Science. So Module 5 is really all about balance. On one hand, we have these unbelievable scientific innovations, genetically modified organisms, cloning, stem cell research. The sheer power here is immense. But we absolutely have to weigh that against global perspectives, things like biosafety, regulatory frameworks, and really understanding the pros and cons. You see, this course isn't just about memorizing a bunch of facts. It's about developing informed perspectives and analyzing the ethical and environmental issues surrounding modern science. You'll be thinking critically about how we safely regulate our future. Section 5, the Course Evaluation Scheme. Basically, the rules of the game. Okay, the crucial thing here is understanding exactly where your marks come from. The whole course is out of 50 total marks, and you need a minimum of 40% to pass. Your internal assessment is split into 2 parts. First up, the T2 assessment, which covers the first 3 modules and is worth 10 marks. Second, the FET assessment, which covers modules 4 and 5, is worth 5 marks and will actually be conducted as a seminar. So that's 15 internal marks total. The remaining 35 marks, those come from your end semester exam. We want total transparency here so you know exactly what each part of your semester is worth. Let's break down that 35-mark end semester exam really quick so there are 0 surprises on test day. Here is your checklist. The exam is exactly 2 hours long. You'll need to solve 5 questions in total. Each question carries 7 marks, which gives us our grand total of 35. Question number 1 is compulsory, and that one will test you on the entire syllabus. The other 4 questions, questions 2 through 5, will be selected from across all the different modules. It's a really straightforward format designed to let you show off everything you've learned. So the only real question left is, how will biotechnology shape your future career? Because whether you end up in a corporate boardroom, a court of law, or a design studio, the bio-revolution is absolutely going to impact your industry. You've got the roadmap and you know the rules. Have a fantastic semester in Dr. Nalawadi's class. Stay curious and enjoy the journey.